Kicking off with football, Reggae Girls head coach Blaine believes external forces are influencing a move by senior players trying to get him axed less than 3 months ahead of the final round of World Cup qualifiers in Mexico. As Kean Rayner reports, Blaine's disclosure comes after TVJ Sports quizzed him about a letter sent to the top brass of the JFF days ago asking that he be removed.
Where the JFF General Secretary Dalton went, confirming the existence of the letter which TVJ Sports understands was signed by 20 players including Captain Khadija Bonishaw, calling for head coach Blaine to be sacked. The veteran coach thinks external forces are behind the move.
I really couldn't call names, that's serious business. But I know, they know who they are, but it's not surprising to me. Because even before a ball was kicked, that it started. So, we just have to, as I said, whenever time comes for me to really not defend myself, but to state some facts and let people who listen and hear some of the facts be the judge.
And despite guiding the Reggae Girls to the final round of qualifying on the back of 4 straight wins, Blaine disclosed that the environment has been anything but pleasant.
I can say one thing that this environment was a bit toxic. We won't get into further details.
And this is before you joined on as coach?
Yes. It started before that. There are a lot of things that was going on. When I was hired, I was appointed. There are some things that from the day I was appointed, it started.
Wendt, the JFF General Secretary, was not prepared to give assurances that Blaine would remain as head coach.
Should coach be in the concern for his job?
As I said, I can't comment on it because we have been having some internal discussion and, I would not be able to make a comment on it at this time.
Coach Blaine is now in a wait-and-see mode, even as he had planned camps ahead of the final round of qualifying against Mexico, USA and Haiti.
The plan was to have camps going forward, 2 camps. But with this, what's coming out, I have to let the JFF decide what their position is. But the plan was to have camps and then move forward.
And Tobago have been drawn in Group B alongside Canada, Costa Rica and Panama. The top 2 teams from each group will qualify automatically to the FIFA Women's World Cup in Australia and New Zealand in 2023, while the 3rd place team will advance to the Interconfederation playoffs. Kean Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.